Thank you so much, everyone, for coming and taking time out for this event. Selected is our flagship brand for men's. We've launched a 1,200 square feet store today, and we've launched another store in Kurla, which is a 2,200 square feet store. And obviously, we got the best in the industry, Mr. Anil Kapoor and Harshvardhan, to come and inaugurate the store. And thank you so much to both of them to come up. They look really nice in our outfits, and we look forward to a great response for Select.
They are cool, as you can see. I don't need to say. And confidence kind of, it just flows, right? So we won't let them go just like this. We have a few questions for you. Would we be all right? Great. First thing, for both of you, where do you both seek your inspiration from? What are your biggest influences? You influence the whole world. Who do you get influence from for your styles, for your carriage?
Yeah, I think it's very difficult to kind of pinpoint one particular source of inspiration. I mean, you come across so many different art forms. Sure. You know, there's cinema, there's music. Yes. You know, sometimes you like something an actor wears in a film. You know, sometimes you like something a musician wears for a concert. Sometimes you like something you see on the ramp.
Yeah.
Or sometimes you just see somebody wearing something on the street.
Exactly.
You know, and so I think it's kind of being an actor is about observing people, different people, and fashion is something that comes along with acting and being a celebrity and all of that. And it's something to have fun with, you know. So I think inspiration is everywhere. I think you just have to open up your mind to
exactly.
it. You know,
exactly.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Now, this Harsh is specifically for you. Sorry. They say the apple doesn't fall very far away from the tree.
Who's they?
Yeah. This is the tree, and I think they are calling you the apple right now. How much of an influence is Mr. Kapoor, your father, on your fashion sense?
You know, my movie came out in October, and I went out to promote it, and you tend to get asked this question a lot. Obviously about films and acting and about fashion, but fashion and acting are both very personal. Yeah, it's a representation of who you are as a person. So I think it's very hard to kind of take from someone else. You know, I think it's very important to have your own identity and be unique. You know, and my sensibilities have always been very different, be it in my choices of films or what I wear, and you know, so I like to believe that I kind of I mean, obviously I am inspired by him, but
I think most of us are.
Yeah, we are, but and by other great actors and movie stars of our time, but you eventually always make your own choices, you know.
And I think this is all about uniqueness, so the more unique you go, it kind of helps you there. Okay, we come to Mr. Kapoor. You've always kept pace with changing times. How has your fashion sense evolved over the years?
As I said, that I've really not consciously focused on fashion. As such, as you know, as Harsh rightly said, we are basically actors.
Yes.
So being an actor, we have to keep on observing, you know, different aspects of life.
Yeah.
You know, it might be music, it might be in real life. You're traveling all over the world. Or sometimes in your city, you know, all those kind of things. And then, of course, the youngsters, and you're reading, seeing pictures. It might be an actor, it might be someone on the ramp, it might be someone, might be a pop singer. So, you know, you take things from everybody.
Yeah.
But basically, you know, the aesthetics of colors and what you want to wear, and it's either you have it or you don't have it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and sometimes what happens is sometimes there is an influence also. You know, to a certain extent.
We all get inspired.
Yeah,
yes.
you get inspired.
Yes.
Like for example, my wife,
Yeah.
Sunita,
Yes.
and Harsh's mom. Of course, I was also inspired by a lot of, you know, things which I see around. Me. Yeah.
I think that we all, inspiration comes from every part where we want to kind of get inspired from. Taking that into consideration, Harsh, we have a few jackets there. If you were to go and influence today Mr. Kapoor's style, what would you put on him today?
I think the one there looks pretty nice, or this one here.
Which one? Could we help you then?
Yeah, sure. Well, actually, just grab it.
Thank God you didn't choose the white one.
I'm more subtle. Don't worry.
Would you need a hand? Are we helping you change into one?
Somebody
Yeah,
can
I'll
just
take
hold-
that mic.
You want me to change?
If you want to. You don't want him to change? Okay. So these are the two. Okay. Can you just tell us why did you choose these for him?
No, because the color palette is similar to what he's wearing.
Okay.
I don't want to change it too dramatically.
Yeah.
He's also wearing denims, and he has a nice pop of color with his sneakers.
Fantastic.
So don't want to steer too far away from that.
Woo! See, I told you the magic's gonna come on once this goes off.
You guys have now sold many jackets.
Guys, you need to tell them what is the tag there.
It's very affordable.
Yeah.
It's very affordable.
It's very affordable.
And for
guys.
all ages.
It's on the second floor only.
It's on the second floor.
They won't leave you without the pose.
I'll grab my mic.
Yeah, here, you could have this one. Cool. Thank you. The next one is for you, Harsh. You know, today in the world of social media, everything from your red carpet looks to the airport looks, everything is under scrutiny.
Right.
Okay? How do you decide what to wear when this world is all about, you know, this world is becoming all about instant opinions?
Well, when I'm traveling
Yeah.
by air,
That's very important these
yeah,
days.
I generally dress like a homeless person. Okay, and
Really?
yeah, and then I get a lot of flack for it at home, but then I go out and then it becomes a trend, you know. So then I'm like, but you know, I'm just
You're
joking.
inspiring. You're
I'm just
inspiring
joking.
people
But
now.
no, it's especially when, I mean, this whole airport thing is ridiculous. I think it's really about being comfortable. Yeah, you're
Don't
taking
say it out loud too much.
sorry,
We-
8-10 hour flights. You know, you really want to be
Exactly.
comfortable. So I mean, for me, I think an airport look would have to be sweatpants.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying they don't have to be. They can be nice sweatpants.
Sure.
And something cotton on top. And you also generally change on the flight if it's a long flight. You know.
Yeah.
So yeah. I would say sneakers, something that's very easy to get in and out of. Also something that's, you don't feel bad falling asleep in.
Yeah.
And that's
And
kind of
spoiling it.
practical, and you can also make that look nice. You know?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. There are various ways now that you can turn around these simple looks into. Now, this one is for the both of you. We are here at Selected Why are we here? What made you come and kind of take this association forward? What is the best thing about Selected that you find? And why does this brand, this clothing, appeal to you both?
You want me to? Yeah. I think, like we said earlier, first of all, we live in India, and especially in Bombay, it's generally very hot through the year. So you want to wear things that are very comfortable, that are not too heavy in terms of their material. Which, if you look at the clothes inside, especially the t-shirts and stuff, you go touch them. The material, even the jackets, they're very thin. That's one. Two, appeals to all ages. You know, it's very diverse. It's not something that's too preppy or something that's too, you know, not for youngsters also. It kind of satisfies both worlds. So I think those are two of the primary reasons, and it's a great brand. You know.
And I think the other thing that you said very nicely right now was, it is very affordable as well.
Yeah,
like
it's
when we
very
were discussing.
affordable,
It kind of goes very well with the brand. Would you like to add on something to this, please?
I think what Arj said is right. It's diverse. You know, even he can go and pick up something. I can go and pick it up. And obviously, it's very, in places like Mumbai, wearing layered clothes is very, very tough.
It's very,
You know, you just don't want to wear something and feel uncomfortable. But the material which is used at Selected, and you know, which is, you know, it's not, they're not very thick, and the material used is basically more cotton. And it's very summer, very easy, very simple. And if you see their brand ambassador, and if you see the pictures, Antonio Banderas, the kind of clothes he's worn, you see the pictures and all. And of course, he's also from Spain. So, you know, and Spanish people and Indian people. So I think I feel they're stylish, and sometimes you wear them in the evening also.
Great, fantastic. Thank you so much. I'm going to have a few, you know, no incomplete any evening. If there is, we'll go with the seniority. Mr. Kapoor, hands out to you first. Style.
Quality.
Quality. The one fashionable thing in your, but what is that one thing that you have?
I keep on wearing them and be fed up. I said, "Abhi dhone ko da."
Find the right fit of jeans.
No,
right?
no, I'm wearing them again and again, and you know, they're dirty, and by mistake, the food or something else. So, but you still keep on wearing
T-shirts.
Yeah, so all these things. I think that's what is important. Kids also, comfortable kids is very, very important.
Very important.
Things, I think, and you can keep on, you know, your shirt or your jeans.
Off your jacket, it's a different look only. As for you, for us, for you. Okay. Should know and should learn from. One fashion mistake and make. Please say it out loud.
We all make mistakes. Make so many mistakes. These are fashion for us. So I don't really, as I said, attention to, and sometimes you learn for the fact. For example, I remember I went to Karan Johar and black tuxedo, but I wore a black suit or something, which is very red. And what's it? That Indian skin not really carry bright red, especially the kind you know, wears, not really carry it. Definitely more subtle, and red doesn't look good on us.
But we have.
So that was all the pictures, and she was so looks trying to be.
It's trying too hard.
Yeah.
Now, to kind of get into the skin with the look that you carry, many, which is that one from your films, which you loved.
The latest film,
yes.
people loved my look.
That
in
was, that was.
You know, the kind of Arjun Baseen, great job.
Great job.
All the and a lot of very some it does. You know, kits which I worn. You know, these kind of t-shirts I wore. You know, the jacket and the t-shirt look. It's something like this about. You know, I would usually wear a shirt, but then I realized even a t-shirt. You know, and it's not necessarily neck t-shirt. I'm wearing. You wear a jacket.
On that note, let's.
Sorry.
On that note.
No, I think now I'm looking better.
You don't want to.
I'm trying to look.
Next rapid fire to you. Just to impress. I know the answer.
To be honest, for me, I have to go to, you know, when I wear it. So I So I don't care what people think.
What
I don't care.
I think that what makes.
But it makes me happy when they can't only to certain extent because you're looking good. But when I go outside, or when I dress up, then what people are going to feel about. First is I want to feel good about myself.
When it comes to style, it looks very stylish on you. So
To a certain extent, I think, well, I have to really work, because he is, as everybody feels and whoever is that he has a kind of a physique. When you see him in clothes, you feel skinny, but he,
I've seen it.
and there are certain clothes of models. These are models which are me and all. So I have to clothes which really don't fit me. So my dream is to
humble.
No, I'm
Okay, so then to Harsh now. One word which defines.
For me, I think. For me.
Yes, for you.
Yeah.
Okay. One piece of an Indian man, not what your father.
Just drop the height and the shirt tucked in and the. It's really not that.
What you're trying to say is lose the.
Try, at least try. It's okay, but then at least you know you.
Okay, your go-to dressing to impress.
I would say I'm dressing to impress.
What kind of
suits? The Dior, and amazing.
Edit it.
No, yes, a nice suit.
Cool tones.
Some
Your favorite color?
color would be black.
Oh, hottest summer trend.
Hottest summer trend. If you're in shape, then just a denims.
Fantastic, brilliant.
Well,
Well, it's summers, right?
and it's very hard for it. Then
We know how we're wearing it. Oh, he's back in the jacket. Yes, you're saying something. You're adding on just generally.
I'm getting ready.
So you know the flow. So Mr. Kapoor,
Thank
you,
you.
Harsh. Floor for media. So please keep your questions restrict. Thank you so much.
What kind of movies would you, or if you can see soon?
It's select.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Like,
Or should select.
you both sharing screen soon.
Be sharing and I'm looking forward to it. No, I can't select films for really selected films. Can ever select films. These are all fashions and these are all personal.
Just like
Sorry?
if
No, I would suggest the best film to do work with the best. That's every as a wisher, as a father, as a colleague you really care for, a son, whoever you care for, who is in films, who's a professor. I would want.
Thank you.
My question is for Harshvardhan. Is it audible? Yeah. Poonam is the fashionista. See yourself in the future industry.
become a fashionista or something. I think it's, and I think you tags, I mean, nice, but ultimately I'm about films and acting, and I really worked, and everything else.
And hello, can I make So she's as he said, effort to do what I'm doing. It's like, and then it just it's not right. I would have been there. Basically, they're all.
You must visit Harsh's to see how stylish he is. Yes.
मैंने सुना है कि तिग्मांशु धूलिया की करने वाले हैं और श्रीराम कुछ बताएंगे उस बारे में
Talkies, but I don't think it's something I'm taking. I'm not doing the Shri. I'm doing this Bhavesh Joshi, which is almost filmed, which.
Time for only one.
सवाल आपसे है वाला स्टाइल
We can't hear you.
Sources of-
लखन वाला स्टाइल था वो हॉलीवुड में आपके फैंस हैं और करते हैं
ना मेरा Hollywood style है. No jokes apart. Never been really character. दिल धड़कने तो मैं हो चाहे वो Slumdog में या ईश्वर है Mr. India. I was so happy when I was there in days back when Sonam won the awards and came got Dada Saheb Phalke award. ईश्वर की clippings देखे and जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो लोग मुझे ईश्वर रिलीज हुई तो मैं रस्तों पे जाते जब तेजाब रिलीज ना बुलाते थे जब ये सब चीजें अब जाए Majnu Bhai, that wherever I've gone, more, Anil Kapoor Jada, they always call feel good, yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you so. Thank you for making the evening. The launch of India is in and albums to celebrate, to capture our moments. Elected are here to unelected. A space into the classiest from. Remember, very few are selected you to browse through the museum for more. Have a wonderful soon. Thank you so much.
And somewhere I think Spanish people and Indian people, they have similar tastes.
Similar tastes. And a
So
lot
I
of
think
things.
our tastes are very, very similar.
Yes.
So I think somewhere I feel they're affordable, they're stylish, they're casual, and sometimes if you want to make them formal, you can wear them in the evening also.
Yes.
And of course, they are diverse.
Great. Fantastic. So now, thank you so much. Thanks to the both of you. Now we're going to have a few, no evening is incomplete. It's incomplete any evening if there is no rapid fire round, right? We'll go with the seniority here, if I can call you the senior. Mr. Kapoor, what stands out to you first, style or quality?
Quality.
Quality, well said. What is the one fashionable thing in your wardrobe? We'd like to have all of them, but what is that one thing that you have, that you can remember of now?
I think my pair of jeans, which I keep on wearing them, and until everybody gets really fed up, I said, "Abhi dhone ko dal do isko yaar."
Because you don't find a right fit of jeans,
No,
right?
no, no. I
It's-
find one, and then I
Yeah.
keep on wearing them again and again and again.
We all do that.
Yeah, yeah. And, and of course, they're dirty, and, sometimes there's, by mistake, the food has fallen on the, or something else, yeah, so, but you still keep on wearing them.
Yeah,
and
we
you take
need
some
half of
water
them
and,
t-shirts.
yeah, so all these things, yeah. So, but, yeah, I think that's what is important. Of course, a pair of nice Keds also, comfortable
Yes.
Keds,
Yes.
is very, very important.
Very important,
And so these are the things, I think. And you can keep on changing your tops. Your shirt or your jeans
And
or
we can
shirts,
see
t-shirt
now the
or-
moment you took off your jacket, it's a different look only altogether.
Yeah.
The most stylish man in the world, as per you, for us, for most of us, it'll be you, but for you?
For me, myself.
Okay. This, I think, a lot of us should know and should learn from. One fashion mistake that Indian men make. Please say it. Please say it out loud.
I have made so many mistakes myself. We all make mistakes. The most stylish people make so many mistakes.
Yeah.
And, these are fashion faux pas, so they don't have to be really taken seriously. I don't really, as I said, pay a lot of attention to mistakes. And sometimes you learn from the mistakes
Yes.
of the fashion faux pas people have made. Like, for example, I remember I went to Karan Johar's 40th birthday, and I wore a black tuxedo. It was a kind of a tuxedo, but I wore a tie. You can wear a tie also.
yeah.
So a black suit or something.
Yeah.
And I wore something which is very, was red.
Okay.
Or red. And what my daughter said that Indian skins cannot really carry
Carry a red.
like
a bright red.
bright red, especially the kind of ties Trump wears. Those
That
kind of
size
red
Trump
ties which he wears. We Indians cannot really carry it.
Yeah.
We carry definitely more subtle,
Subtle
darker,
colours, yes.
and red doesn't look that good on us.
But we
So
have
that
a-
was I think fashionable. And I saw the pictures, and she was so right. It really looks trying too hard.
Yes, it's trying too
Too
hard.
hard,
Yeah. Okay. Now, you are known to kind of get into the skin of the characters that you play with the look that you carry on. So we have loved many. Which is that one look that you have loved from your films? Which is that one film for which you loved
the
your
latest film, Dil Dhadakne Do, I think that look,
Yes.
people loved my look
That
in that film.
was-
Yeah, Dil Dhadakne Do.
That was.
The kind of clothes, Arjun Bhasin styled me in that film, and he did a great job.
Great job.
All the clothes and a lot of jackets which I wore were very similar to what Selected does.
Selected is going ahead, yes.
And if you see the jackets which I worn, they were, and these kind of T-shirts I wore, and the jacket and the T-shirt look.
It was a very...
I wouldn't wear something like this about 15,
Otherwise.
20 years back.
Yeah.
I would usually wear a shirt with a jacket. But then I
now-
realized even a T-shirt looks pretty good.
It does. Today,
And
you're
it's not necessary that you have to constantly wear a round neck T-shirt. I'm wearing a collared T-shirt. You wear a jacket, it looks pretty smart, yeah.
On
ये
that-
अभी मैंने सीखा है 7, 8, 5, 6 साल पहले.
On that note, let's
पहले
have you
मालूम नहीं
back
था
with your
इसका.
jacket, please.
Sorry?
On that note, if we can have you back with your jacket.
No, I think
You
now I'm
want
looking
to-
better.
You don't want to.
I'm trying to look younger.
So that takes me to my next rapid fire to you. You dress to kill or you dress to impress? I know the answer, but still.
I really, to be honest, for me, I have to feel good, when I wear it. So I first want to impress myself.
Okay.
I constantly try to impress myself. So for me, if I feel good, I don't care what people think.
What people think about
I don't care. I don't care.
I think that what makes you.
But
We
it makes me happy when they compliment me. So I can't only say that I don't care. I do care to a certain extent because it makes me happy when they say, you're looking good or you dressed up well. And
We
all.
got our learning.
But
from
when
the
I
red
go
carpet.
outside, when I step out,
Yeah.
or when I dress up, then I'm not really thinking what people are going to feel about what I'm wearing.
I think
First
it's
is
just-
I want to feel good about myself.
I think you're a natural when it comes to style because what you wear naturally, it looks very stylish on you. So we have a lot to learn from you.
I think to a certain extent, I think Harsh is very fortunate. Well, I have to really work towards it because, because he is, as Ria and everybody feels, and whoever has seen him, is that he has a kind of a physique,
Yeah.
which when you see him in clothes, you feel he's very thin and skinny,
Yeah.
but
But he's pretty.
yeah, he's pretty.
I've seen his Instagram account.
And and there are certain when you can wear clothes, when stylists send you clothes of models.
Yeah.
And and these are models which are very slim and
Yes.
very skinny and all. So I have to really work towards it. There are certain clothes which really don't fit me, but he fits into everything.
You are
So my dream is to do that.
You're humble.
No,
We
I'm
know everything
honestly, I'm
fits.
telling you.
Okay. So then, thank you so much. We move to Harsh now. Your quickies now. One word which defines your style.
Can I say 2 words?
Yeah, please.
For me, I think. For me.
For you?
For me.
Yes. For you.
For me, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. One piece of style advice for the modern Indian man, not what your father gave.
Just drop the high pants with the belt and the shirt tucked in and the stomach coming out. Yeah. I mean, just eat healthy. Yeah. It's really not that hard. You know,
What you're trying to
your women will really appreciate it. I'm
What
telling
you're
you.
trying
It'll
to
go a
say
long
is
way.
lose the tummy.
Try. At least try. At least make an effort. If you can't, then it's okay. But then at least you know you tried. You know.
Okay. Your go-to outfit when you are dressing to impress.
I would say a nice suit.
A
If
nice
I'm dressing
suit.
to impress, then
What
a nice
kind
suit.
of suit?
I really like the suits that Dior make. Sorry. And you guys are phenomenal. Amazing.
It's all right. Don't worry.
But,
Edit it.
No, yes, a nice suit.
Okay. Summer pastels or jewel tones?
Summer pastels.
Fantastic. Your favorite color?
My favorite color would be black.
Okay. And what is the hottest summer trend according to you?
Hottest summer trend for men?
Yes, please.
If you worked hard to be in good shape, then just a nice tank with denims can do wonders. Yeah, you know.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Yes. Yeah. They're comfortable
Yeah,
as well.
they're
It's summers,
comfortable
right?
and it's very humid out, and you know,
Yeah.
if you've worked hard for it, then you might as well get into one of those.
We know how we're wearing this right now, right? Oh, he's back in the jacket. Yes, you're saying something. You're adding on to something. No. Just generally.
I'm getting
Okay.
ready.
Okay. Thank you. So you know the flow. So thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Kapoor. Thank you,
you.
Harsh. Now we're going to open the floor for media questions. So please be kind and please keep your questions restricted to selected Thank you so much. And media, please.
What kind of movies would you suggest Harshvardhan to do? Or if you can see both of you sharing screen soon?
Is selected a part of the movies?
Yeah.
Sorry?
I
Which
want to
movies
like-
Harsh should select?
Yeah. And
Correct?
if we can see you both sharing screen soon?
Yes, we will be sharing screen soon, and I'm looking forward to it. But I can't select films for Harsh, and I've never really selected films for anybody, and nobody can ever select films for anybody. These are all fashion and films, and these are all personal things. Personal
If
things.
you
Yeah.
would suggest like,
Sorry.
if you would suggest something.
No, I
to
would
him.
suggest the best in the world. I would like him to work with the best filmmakers. I would like him to work, with the best scripts. So that's everybody want to do that as a well-wisher, as a father, as a colleague, and whom you really care for. Whoever it is, it might be your son, whoever you care for. It might be your wife, who is in films, who's a professional, if she's in films, or a daughter. I would want them to do the best. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi,
Thank
my
you.
question is for Harshvardhan. Okay, is it audible? Yeah.
No.
So Sonam is the fashionista diva, right? So do you ever see yourself in the future as a male fashionista in the industry?
See, I don't think she tried to become a fashionista or something. I think it's just something that just happened, and I think you should never chase those tags, they just happen, so, if that were to happen, that would be nice, but, ultimately I'm an actor and I'm really passionate about films and acting, and I really work really hard on that, and everything else that comes with it is a bonus. So
know,
But have
nobody.
you seen his
And
Instagram account?
hello, can I make that please?
gonna make it popular.
You know, so she's not. You know, it's as he said, it's not something which you really, you know, make an effort to do what it. वो अपने आप हो जाता है. You know, you understand? You know, लोग, you know, it becomes like, and then it just carries on and on and on and on. You know, it's not that. If there's any fashionista, I would have been that. You know, they're all totally not into that at all. Yeah.
You must visit Harsh's Instagram account. You will get to see how stylish he is. Yes, please.
हर्ष,
Yes.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हमने सुना है कि तिग्मांशु धूलिया की जो अगली फिल्म है मिलन टॉकीज आप करने वाले हैं और श्री राम राघवन की भी एक फिल्म करे, कुछ बताएंगे उस बारे में?
I'm not doing Milan Talkies. I was approached for it, but I don't think it's something I'm taking up right now. I'm not doing the Sri Ram Raghavan film either. I am doing Vikramaditya Motwane's Bhavesh Joshi, which is almost complete, and then another film which will be announced soon.
Okay, we have time for only one more question, please.
अनिल सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, एक स्टाइल था लखन वाला स्टाइल।
We can't hear you.
जोर से आवाज
एक
सुनाई
स्टाइल
दे
था आपका लखन वाला स्टाइल था और एक स्टाइल अभी है जो हॉलीवुड में आपके फैंस हैं, तो कौन सा स्टाइल आप ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं?
ना मेरा कभी लखन वाला स्टाइल है ना कभी हॉलीवुड स्टाइल है कोई स्टाइल नहीं है मेरा यार बिल्कुल सीन जनरली है honestly no jokes apart never been really it's always been the character you know which I played चाहे वो वेलकम में हो चाहे वो दिल धड़कने दे में हो चाहे वो नो एंट्री में हो चाहे वो स्लम डॉग में या वो व्हाट एवर फिल्म्स ईश्वर है मिस्टर इंडिया I was so happy when I was there in Delhi today yes 2 days back when Sonam won the for the national awards and K. Vishwanath ji ko he got the Dada Saheb Phalke award. तो जब वो clippings आ रही थी तो मैंने ईश्वर की clippings देखे. So you know and I remember when I was doing ईश्वर जब वो फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो मैं जहाँ भी जाता था तो लोग मुझे ईश्वर ईश्वर बुलाते थे. जब मिस्टर इंडिया रिलीज हुई तो मैं रस्तों पे जाता तो मुझे मिस्टर इंडिया बुलाते थे. जब तेज़ाब रिलीज हुई तो कितने सालों के लिए मुझे मुन्ना बुलाते थे. जब राम लखन रिलीज हुई तो ऐसे तो ये सब चीज़ें अब जाता हूँ तो कोई मजनू भाई बोलता है मजनू भाई सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट वेरेवर आई हैव गॉन मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेसेस पीपल हैव you know more than saying Anil Kapoor jara they always call me by my character which makes me feel good.
That has been the case. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you so much, Mr. Kapoor. Thank you, Harsh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making the evening all the more special. The launch of Selected India is indeed a reason to celebrate. And just like we use albums to celebrate memories or videos to capture our moments, we at Selected are here to unveil the Museum of Selected, a space that will transport you into the classiest trend realm. Remember, many are called, very few are selected. We encourage you to browse through the museum and drop into the store for more. Have a wonderful evening today and see you all soon. Thank you so much.